Hey, what's happening? This is Barrick Ballantyne. I'm the Public Relations Director for Hip Hop Culture Shock, the blog. And I'm here with our legal correspondent, Wesley Stiger. And we've been wanting to introduce Wesley to you for some time now. How you doing today, Wes?
Pretty good, thanks.
Good. Glad that you took your time out from your busy schedule to talk with us. Give us a little bit of your background and let us know how you got to the point where you are today and how things are going.
Well, I'm a graduate from Morehouse College, class of 2007, graduated cum laude, was inducted into the National Honor Society of Political Science. That was my major. After that, I began my first year at Thurgood Marshall School of Law, School of Texas Southern down in Houston, and I'll be starting my second year this coming fall, which I'm very excited about.
Excellent. A lot of people question the black college experience, the HBCU. Tell us a little bit about your experience attending HCBU.
It was a blessing, you know, for the history of HBCUs and how they came about due to the racial tensions back during the early time of our country's history. And it was definitely a blessing to get into Morehouse because there's been a lot of prestigious gentlemen to come out of that school, you know, such as, you know, the great Martin Luther King Jr. You know, there's Spike Lee out of there, Samuel L. Jackson, also the first black mayor of Atlanta came out of there as well. So, you know, I felt that it was, you know, a great thing to go there and follow in those footsteps in order to, you know, accomplish the things that I want to do in my life, which has brought me up to this point with HipHopcss Shop.
Excellent. Well, hey, I guess the thing I wanted to ask you is what are you going to bring with this segment? What do you intend to do with your legal segment in terms of informing the people out here in the audience?
Well, my main objective is to basically get the word out about law. For a long time, black people, or the minority community as a whole, has been shut off to, you know, the legal aspects of this country. It pretty much controls everything that we are involved in our very lives, such as, you know, signing a lease, or say getting a job if that involves a contract, even getting a new cell phone, you know, or getting cable service, you know, little things like that. It all involves paperwork and things of that nature to provide services, to get services for people. And of course, the things that I will talk about will deal with more serious things. You know, I'll touch on some criminal issues that, you know, a lot of people in our community are subject to. And basically any kind of question or comment or concern that you may have, just log on to HipHopcss Shop, and there's a tab called Ask West Legacy Legal Questions. So click on that. Put you know, your name, where you're from, and you know what question it is that you would like me to research and analyze and get back to you.
Excellent. Well, let me tell you, we're excited to have you here at HipHopcultureShock.com, and we're looking forward to the segment on the radio show, Hip Hop Culture Shock Blog Talk Radio. And again, we can't thank you enough. We know that you're busy being a legal student, and we're wishing you the best of this upcoming school year. And from what I understand, you'll be giving us reports from Houston, Texas this year.
Yes. This is definitely a site catered towards music, so I do have some coursework that's dealing with the music industry and entertainment industry, and, you know, as I'm learning, and I will definitely get on the site and tell people about what kind of things that's going on in the music industry and how contracts are working and different things of that matter. So it's also with, you know, other things dealing with, you know, tort law, criminal law, contracts, property, all those kind of things I will also get into as the year progresses.
Excellent. Well, I want to thank you for taking the time out, and look forward to seeing some of your blog articles as well. So again, Wesley Stiger, the legal correspondent for Hip Hop Culture Shock Radio, or HipHopCultureShockRadio.com. And we will again thank Wes for being here, and we will talk to y'all soon.